Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video I will demonstrate how to install the Java in your system for the first time, and in the second part I will demonstrate how to install a particular version of Java JKD or JRE in your system, and in the third part I'll demonstrate how to install the latest version of the Java JRE. And if you are struggling with this version, so I can demonstrate how to uninstall all the Java version from your system so that you can reinstall the latest version of the Java in your system to solve this problem. So if you are using the system for the first time for Java, go to the terminal and check Java and enter. This system doesn't have the Java, so it is instructing that you can use the sudo apt install default Java JRE. So you just use the first this default script to install Java in your system. Let's enter. So you need to type the password and enter. So you have to enter the capital Y. So it is about 177 MB. Okay, so Java installation is done. Let's clear it. To check Java, just type Java, then version and enter. So now you can see there is a Java 11.0.28. You can see Java's installation by sudo dpkg -list and enter. Go to the down page. Here is the GHI, and here you can see the Java common. So Control Z and clear it. So as you can see, it is the Java version 11. So you want to install the particular version like Java JKD 19. So you have to type sudo apt install, then open jdk -19 jre headless. So let's enter. So installation is done. Let's clear it. And now again I am checking the Java version. So now you can see first it was the 11 version. Now I am particularly installed the 19 version. So it is the 19 version. And you can also check the sudo dpkg and list. So here you can see the similar Java build version. There is no change. you have installed the Java 11 and also the 19. So how can you see the where is the Java is originally installed? To check it, you have to write read link -f, then $, then bracket which Java, and close this and enter. So now you can see it is located in this directory. So go to your file system, and here make sure that you have showed the hidden files. Then you can see the user, then library, this is lib, and go to the JVM. So here you can see the Java 11 and Java 19. This is the package. Let's check in Google what is the latest version of your Java. So Java latest version, to install the Java. So the latest version is Java 24. To install it, go to the Oracle site, and here you can see for Linux here is the package. So in my system it is a Debian 64 package, so I'm going to download this one. It is almost 200 MB, so let's download it. Well, the download is complete. Let's check it. So you can install this package by just double click it. So it is taking time to load it. So you can directly use the install package, this one, or you can use terminal, check the list, and to install it, sudo apt install, then /, just copy this one and paste it here and enter. So need to write the password and enter. Okay, the installation is done. Let's clear it and let's check the Java version again. Now you can see you have successfully installed your Java 24 version. See here, so here you can see just there is Java JDK 24 file is also there. So now if you think you are messed with all your Java files and want to uninstall all these things, so you have to do to uninstall the package. For that you have to go to the sudo dpkg -list, go to the list, and you have to uninstall this tool. Just copy it and let's uninstall. Sudo apt get purge, then the application name and enter. So enter capital Y and done. So let's clear it and let's check again the Java version. Sudo dpkg list, enter the password. So here you can see the JDK24 is also there. You have to uninstall this one. So Ctrl Z, clear, and done. Let's check it. Let's clear it and let's check again the Java. So now you can see there is the no Java. You can just type Java. So it is the whole tutorial of the installation and checking the Java version and uninstallation of the Java. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.